What's going on, guys? Welcome to part 3. In part 3 of this 761 series robot by Shark, this is Shark Ion 761_N, we're going to be removing the front bumper. And now this can be a troubled area for some people because kids pick them up and drop them, dogs chew on them, things like that. For this one, you are going to need a 8, was it T10? T10 by 3. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. They're all different sizes. They're all sized different than the other screws, so keep them separate. Unless you're like me, who's just removing this robot for parts, because I'm not going to go through a hassle of putting a new top on this one. This one can be a spare parts robot. So you're going to remove these 5. Pick up on the small part and it will unclip. Set it to the side. You do have 2 little brushes right here that will come out and you can replace them. Just message me if you need those. They're $5 free ship. Next is the bumper itself. It slides down and off. This one has no cables like some of the older ones. And actually some of the newer ones do too. Here you have 2 metal flaps that are the tensioners for that bumper, and then you have 2 switches that make a connection when the bumper hits them, and those are what tell it, hey, I need to move left, hey, I need to move right, hey, I need to back up. So if both are pressed, it backs up. If the left one, it goes, if it hits the right one, it goes left. If it hits the left one, it goes right. All right? So that's how you remove that. And inside here, we have all of our infrared, our proximity sensors and all that. So these are the sensors that detect stuff in the way and will actually slow it down before it hits them, and also how it finds its way home. You also have 2 sensors here that help guide it on its way home and from stuff on the sides of it. Now on the front right here, there is a little access port right here. You take a flathead screwdriver, pop that up, and you can remove this lens and clean it. And you can also examine everything without taking that off. So that's a big helpful tip. You'll just put this back on there. Well, if I can get it in there on this video. And it's just gonna clip right down and snap into place. Super simple, super easy. And this was part 3, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to check the description above for parts, links, and also for the other videos in this series if you need help with them. Part 4, we're going to be removing the case.